Number 4, we're going to simplify using order of operations. We can write out our list of order of operations, and we don't see parentheses. We have not really dealt with exponents in this lesson, and we're left with multiply, divide, add, subtract. Before I do much more with this problem, I'm going to do a sign change. So leave the 2, change to addition, and change the 10 to a negative 10. Then I'm going to multiply and divide from left to right. I notice there is a multiply on the left side and a divide on the right. Since they're separated by all these add, subtract, although technically I'm supposed to start with this one, I can kind of do them at the same time because I need to eventually do them to add, subtract in the middle. 4 times 2 is 8. I like this little funnel to show what I did, plus negative 10, plus, and these are going to kind of get funneled together into a 7. Then I'm into add, subtract. If it's all addition, then technically I can add in any order I want. If I want to first add the positives and then deal with the negative, I can, which leaves me with an answer of 5. 15 is more dominant. It's positive, and 15 minus 10 is 5. Number 11. We're going to scan the problem. We see we have divide and multiply. I'm going to do a sign change. I'm also going to set up my fractions. Meaning I'm going to make them improper. All right, next. Feel free to pause the video if you're still doing that. I'm going to deal with my divide and multiply, and they're separated by a plus or minus sign in the middle. So I can kind of do these at the same time very carefully. For divide, the first one, as I do these, I'm going to do keep, change to multiplication, and flip. And now I'm ready to do, actually now, 2 multiplication problems. So 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 1 is 1. So 10 over 1 or 10. And then I have a negative I can't lose track of. I'll maybe even carry it down because a negative times a positive is a negative. And then 2 goes into itself 1 time and into 40 20 times. Remember, I'm dividing by 2 and dividing by 2. So I'm left with, it's negative. So ignoring that for a minute because I already decided that. 1 times 20 is 20, and 1 times 1 is 1. Last step is I'm going to do my add, subtract. This is more dominant, different signs. So it's going to be negative 20 minus 10 is 10.